Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed a small bit of time together, whatever it may mean. Please stay. We want you to be here. We would love to have you here. We have snacks in the back if you want to go check them out. Just saying. But today is collab day. It is with one of my most favorite people in the world. It is Erica Conger here on the YouTube. I absolutely love and adore her. She just means the absolute world to me. We're playing with two Unearthly palettes. We just gotta choose our own shades. It's not palette bingo. There's no questions that Nikki can forget. We're just picking a couple shades out of each of like our two chosen Unearthly palettes and making a look with them. So please go make sure that you're checking out her channel, her video, all that stuff. I'll have it linked down below. But I'm going to be playing with the Strawberry Milkshake palette and the Gargoyle palette from Unearthly. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, then let's get into it. Hello, I have this frozen matcha with bubbles from Caribou here. I need a little something, but I don't want to give myself coffee because I feel like that's just like asking for a disaster. But today is collab day. It is with my ever so amazing, gorgeous, stunning, amazing friend right here, Erica Conger. I absolutely love and adore her, and I'm so glad that I've gotten to have her in my life for this past year plus, I think is what we're at now. I just absolutely love and adore her. She's so freaking amazing. She's always there for me. I absolutely love and adore her. So I'm super excited to get to do this with her here today. Couple things before I start getting into what we're doing. If you can see my bra through my shirt, I don't care. If you can see how hairy my armpits are, I don't care. We're just over it today. Okay, but we are going to be playing with two Unearthly palettes today. I picked this one up a while ago, and me and Erica had a plan to do something with us, so there's that. But I haven't used it yet. It looks like this is a Strawberry Milkshake one from Unearthly, and I was like, why not pair it up with another palette instead of just, you know, there's only 9 shades in here. You don't really have a lot of options, so let's add something else into it. And so I decided let's do like another palette. I chose the Gargoyle. I think Erica did the not normal one, but I really wanted to use this one. I love this one. So this is the color story of this one. I'm super excited for this. I think this is going to be just a whole lot of fun. Please make sure that you're going to giving her some love, leaving a comment, a like, telling her how freaking amazing she is. Just go do something and tell her she's amazing. Okay, so this is the color story that I chose. I don't know, I really like it. I think it's fun. It's very Christmassy. I thought, you know, why not? So this side right here is the Milkshake side, and this side right here is the Gargoyle. So this is green, cherry on top, juicy, and then this is Eerie Echoes, Awaken, and Grandma Morning. So I chose those 3 out of that one, and then those 3 out of this one. I'm super excited for this. I think this is just, I don't know, I think I chose a pretty good color story for this, and I'm really excited for it. As always, all the products that I use and or mention in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. They're just there for you guys if you are interested in, you know, like getting something that you see in one of my videos. To start with, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to Win, and then setting up the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Translucent Powder. I just said it just because, I don't know, things work better for me when I set things. But let me scooch you in and let's get this thing started. So my plan for this is to put like this and this in the crease, put this in here and put the red here, and then put these shimmers here. We'll figure out an under eye, all that good stuff. I'm super excited for this. I think this is such a fun color story. It makes me kind of wish that I had singles so I could build my own, you know, but it is what it is. Let's get on with this. I'm going to start by taking my Rephr 13, and I think I'm going to go in with that green shade from the Milkshake palette to start with. Just dabbing it in there a little, tapping off the excess, and then plopping it into the crease area right in here. Just taking it and blending it in here. Switching to a different brush, I'm going to go in with my Unearthly UC8 5 brush. Still the same shade, and just bring it in here a tad bit more. These brushes just work better for me for whatever reason. So I'm just taking it into the crease here, right? And then blending upwards this way with the shadow. Sort of making it kind of cut creasy. I don't know how to explain it. But just taking it and blending these edges out here a little bit. I really like how that looks. We're gonna switch over to that Grim Morning shade right there now. Still the same brush after I've cleaned it off a little bit. Tapping up the excess and then just, you know, blending. Lightening some things up here. I think this is gonna be fun. I do. I'm having a little bit of a hard time mentally today, but we can work around that. Hopefully. We will see. Okay, now we're gonna be going in, still the same brush because I'm lazy and it's already in my hand. But we're gonna be going in with that juicy shade right there now. Again, like I said, still with that Unearthly UC85, just taking it and plopping it in here. Going to go over it a couple of times. Like I said earlier, I just absolutely adore Erica. She's such an amazing and kind and just caring person. I'm so incredibly lucky to have her in my life. She's just such an amazing person, and I don't know what I would do without her. She's always there for me if I need to talk. She's always there to go after somebody in my comments if something happens. She's always there to hear me complain, and I adore her so much, and I'm just so incredibly thankful for her. But I'm just bringing more of that shadow in. I'm just tapping it in. I do want this color pigment to pop. It's such a gorgeous shade, but I'm just tapping it in. This reminds me right now of like those little mints. I'll see if I can like find the picture of them, but they're like this. They got like the little ribbon around it, the little Christmas tree. It's very much giving that vibe right now. Okay, so we're gonna go in with that cherry on top shade now. I'm gonna switch over to my Rephr 21. This is my go-to shimmer brush. I say that anytime I'm doing shimmer, which is all the time, but it's such a good brush for this. And I haven't sprayed anything either. I'm just gonna be taking a little bit of that and plopping that right here. Very lightly. I want to keep that, you know, thing I got going on there. Just taking it a little bit over that So Juicy shade. Or Juicy. Where did I get So Juicy from? But like I said, just taking it right in here. And then cleaning that brush off a little bit and just dragging a little bit of the shimmer onto that Juicy shade. That's such a vibe. I love it. Okay, I'm cleaning that brush off a little bit, and then we're going to go into the shimmers from the Gargoyle palette. We're going to go in with Eerie Echoes and Awaken. I'm thinking we put Eerie Echoes and right here, and then Awaken like right here. So we're gonna go in with Awaken here first. Like I said, I've cleaned off my Refer 21, not spraying it and then bringing it right in here. Oh, that's freaking gorgeous. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness. That's just wow. Cleaning that brush off all the way and then blending the red and that Awaken shimmer together here. I think I'm going to wait until I have my whole face done for me to do that inner corner with that Eerie Echoes shade. I do think this look is going to be so bomb though. I haven't decided if I'm going to put some like liner down in here, but my options are the ColourPop BFF gel, the cream gel liner in Wildcat, or this NYX Vivid Rich mechanical liner in Emerald Empire. You know, they both would be a vibe. So we'll see what I end up doing. But I'm going to go do my face. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. We will do the under eye. I think this is, I really like this. I'm tempted to put a liner here, but I think I'm going to leave it. I really like this. This is really, really pretty. I might even wear this on actual Christmas. I like it. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'm like really killing it with my makeup as of late. Like I'm just doing so freaking good. Okay, let's go over a couple details and whatnot. For blush, I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. If you've been here, you already know that this is what I've been using all the time. I went in with the red shade right there called Pulp. Then I went in with the Blend Bunny Noctilucent Highlight Palette. I don't care if it's sold out, I'm going to keep using it. I went in with that shade right there called Dreamlike and that shade right there called Transient, and I just plopped that all over my face. I don't even know if I want to do an under eye. I don't think I'm going to. I do think I'm going to put a liner down here. I think I'm going to go in with the NYX Vivid Rich mechanical liner in Emerald Empire. I think I said mechanical wrong. I think I said metallic earlier. So I'm going to pop this in. I'm going to put some mascara down here, and then we will figure out the inner corner and a lip. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with my Refer 03 here, and we're going to go in with that Eerie Echoes shade right there. Now, if the lighting is bad, it is because it's only almost 2 o'clock here, maybe 1:30 in Minnesota, and it's already like nighttime. It's so gloomy as of late, but I'm going to be taking that shade, I'm going to be plopping that into the inner corner right here. I really like that. I do think I'm going to go in with just a tiny bit of that Awaken shade over top of it, just a little bit. Just mix it in there with it. I'm really feeling my natural lip color with this, so I think I'm going to pop a little bit of this Milani Fruit Fetish Raspberry Peach lip oil on top of my lips. It's going to give a little bit of something, a little bit of color in these, but I don't feel like it's going to be too much. I think doing a colorful lip of like any sorts is just going to like take away from the eye, and I really like this eye, so I think I'm just going to keep it at that. I really like this. I think this turned out super pretty. I love the color story that I came up with. I didn't mean for it to be as Christmassy as it was. I wanted to go on a different route, but this is really where it ended up going. So here is a nice little look at the look. Like I said, I think it turned out like super pretty. It's super gorgeous. I love the tones. I think I'm gonna wear this for Christmas. I'm really liking this. I really do like this. This is such a good little look. I really am happy with this, and I'm so happy that I got a collab with Erica again. She's probably, if not one of the most amazingest people in the world, and I just absolutely love her and adore her. I love that we got to play with some Unearthly. I'm really loving Unearthly. I need to pick up some of their stuff, a bunch of other brands of stuff, just all kinds of stuff that I gotta pick up. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate having every single one of you here. It means the world to me. I love doing this, so just thank you so much. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit, don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. It is almost 2025. Pull your head out of your ass and do freaking better, okay? Okay, and remember to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients. We're getting to winter. Just please be making sure that you're taking care of yourself. Pretty please. It's a shitty world. Please be doing good. Please. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do love and appreciate every single one of you so incredibly much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.